सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a social media layout designing using Adobe Indesign. So this is Adobe Indesign interface. So I want to create a new page. I click on new, then I click on web, and my width is 1000 pixel into 1000 pixel. Today we create a social media post design using Adobe InDesign. So here is my page, 1000 by 1000 pixels. We use in Adobe InDesign for layout designing using rectangle tool and double click on fill tool, and I want to, and then I go to object and lock this rectangle. Right after locking this rectangle, I want to place an image, then file, place. I want to place an image inside the frame, then I just right click on it, fit proportionately, right? Then I want to make a rectangle and my stroke size will be 3 and change the stroke color. Then I go to add anchor point tool, and go to direct selection tool, select the middle one and press delete. So here is my rectangle. Then I select the frame and right click on it, fitting proportionately, and select the chicken, right click on it and arrange bring to front. Okay, then I want to put some design here, some web design here, so that's why I am using Illustrator right now. So today I want to see how to import a object from Illustrator to InDesign. So here I make a rectangle and I change the color white and I increase the stroke size into 3. So after that I go to effects and distort and zigzag, and look how I make a zigzag, right? I need this zigzag and I need smooth corner. Okay, so here is my design. I go to object and expand this, and object and expand stroke to fill. Then I press Ctrl D. I need 4 of this type. Then I press Ctrl G. So to import Illustrator to Adobe InDesign, then drag this file to your InDesign file and just drop here, and here is my design is. So this is so easy to make a design in Illustrator to InDesign, and I copy this one to here. This is so easy. Then I want to write something, so I make a text box here. I just increase the font size, and then I want to change the font face. Just select the font, go to eyedropper tool and just click on it, right? I make a text box, and here I written THE and select the text box and go to character and I press Roboto black and change the text color into white, and then I increase the font size from here, and then I want to 100 tracking 200. So here is my design, the turkey. Then I make another text box, and here I written, and then select fonts and change to Roboto bold, and my tracking will be 600, and font color and font color is my white, right? Then I want to write something here, so that's why I copy the text box here and I want to write here. And go to paragraph and align them center, and I need some leading, so I go here, my leading will be, and after that I make another rectangle here. Then I copy and paste here and select the font, change into Roboto light, the paragraph is center, and change the text color into white. So look guys, here is my design for a social media post, basically for Instagram. So I want to preview you this file, so go to and preview this. Look how it look like. If you like our design, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.